Apologetics is a waste of time. I once heard this said in a Sunday school class, and it's not an uncommon sentiment. God doesn't need defending. You can't debate someone into heaven. We need to evangelize, not apologize. Much of this criticism is driven by an anti-intellectualism and a conviction that faith concerns the heart, not the mind. So, is apologetics a waste of time? Shouldn't Christians just focus on personal evangelism instead of pointless intellectual proofs and arguments and debate? These are important questions, so let's talk about it. Apologetics is a waste of time. I just don't see the point. All Christians need to do is share our testimony about what Jesus has done in our life. My response to that comment was simply this. Stories are powerful, but now imagine that I've just had a transformative and deeply spiritual experience with hot yoga, which has allowed me to find peace by putting me in tune with my inner divinity. Isn't it awesome that we've both found spiritual comfort? Well, obviously that's not true comfort. Why not? What makes your experience true but not mine? Because my God is real and yours isn't. Well, says who? Says the Bible. And who says that the Bible is true? What followed from there were several classic arguments and justifications for the reliability of the Bible and the validity of the biblical God as the one true God. No more than 30 seconds after declaring that apologetics is unnecessary, our conversation hit a wall that apologetics needed to break down. You see, apologetics is not just valuable, it's inevitable. If all we have is our personal testimony, then there's no way to adjudicate between competing stories. Christians are left with the flimsy argument, my God is true because my story is true, and your God is false because your story is false, regardless of what you say. We need to realize that apologetics and evangelism are not in conflict. Both work together to point unbelievers towards Christ. Unbelievers deserve thoughtful answers to their honest questions about God. Apologetics, by providing these answers, knocks down the intellectual and emotional walls, clearing the way for evangelism to bring the truth of the gospel straight to their unguarded hearts. Debate for debate's sake is pointless. Reducing apologetics and Christianity to purely intellectual rhetoric, divorced from the heart and its evangelistic function, is dangerous, wrong, and pointless. But Christians do not have an either-or choice between intellectual apologetics and emotional evangelism. We are simply called to spread the good news to the ends of the earth, and the urgency of this commission should lead us to use any and all tools at our disposal. So, is apologetics a waste of time? Only if we believe that reaching unbelievers with the good news of Christ by all possible means is a waste of time. For the sake of those still lost in the darkness of their unbelief, I pray that we decide otherwise. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and continue to collide with your world for Christ.